Right, Liz, great to have you back. We were on Portworx earlier this week
We were.
talking about business leaders and how they would look at bringing Kubernetes in and making that more enterprise ready. You're a veteran of these events, right? You're a leader in the community. And I wondered what you took from the event this time, as we're on Friday today. And I'll probably have a follow-up question after that. Yeah.
So, I mean, this is apparently the biggest KubeCon we've ever had. I heard 12,500 attendees. And I think what's amazing is that even now on Friday afternoon, this place is buzzing with people. People are talking to all the different projects on the Project Pavilion. They're also coming and talking to, expert vendors who can help people with that adoption journey. There are so many opportunities to learn at an event like this. And you can pick up whatever level. If you want to get into the details of the project, the experts are here. If you want to confer with peers who are maybe struggling with the same questions that you're struggling with, those people are here too. So amazing conversation.
So we got that community piece, learning from each other, upping everyone's game, and that's fantastic. And I was speaking to some participants this week, and they really said that we've moved into having more leadership sessions, and by that I mean sort of business focus.
Yes. So for a couple of years or so, I guess, there's been a focus on the end user adopters of cloud native technologies, and things like the end user technology advisory board that the CNCF organised, really having a big influence over the whole community and driving the kind of discussions that they want to have to learn from each other. So that's another really good way for people who are adopting these technologies to, learn from other people's experiences.
Fantastic. And as people look at maybe they're one below the CTO, maybe it's a CTO, that sort of thing, is this event starting to be targeted at them? And how would they get value from an event like this in future?
Whatever technologies you're looking at adopting, you will find the people at the level that you want to have those discussions at. So, for example, with Isovalent, we've been having some customer advisory circle meetings. We've had some customer breakfasts, to really get feedback from customers and learn what their challenges are. I'm sure many other companies and partners are also doing similar activities. And, if you're working with a trusted partner, that's a great way to learn what the next step is and to consult maybe with others of their customers to see what's worked for them.
Yeah, so don't try and work all this out yourself. And as a community, they're very giving. So we've seen, banks sharing how they're going Kubernetes at massive scale, and then talking about some of the challenges of managing all those clusters and the life cycles, and sharing their approaches to getting around that. So everyone's trying to level each other up. Yeah,
exactly.
Really
yeah, scale has been a huge thing here, whether that's driven by the scale of the application people need to run. We're obviously seeing a lot of AI-driven scale requirements. So there's a whole new level of challenges related to that.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for speaking to us, Liz.
Yeah, no, pleasure.